Did you know that one of history's greatest breakthroughs came from a desperate old man trying to save his city? When Roman ships surrounded Syracuse, the mathematician Archimedes was 75 years old. Most people his age would have fled, but Archimedes had an idea. He noticed that with a long enough lever, he could lift massive stones using just his body weight. The longer the lever, the less force he needed. This simple observation changed everything. Archimedes built giant catapults and cranes that hurled boulders at Roman ships. Legend says he even created mirrors that focused sunlight to burn their fleet. For 3 years, one old man held off the mighty Roman army using leverage. But Archimedes discovered something bigger than military tactics. He found that small forces, applied at the right point, could move mountains. This principle works in life too. You don't need massive effort to create massive change. You need the right leverage point. Want to build wealth? Start with 1% of your income. Want better relationships? Start with one genuine compliment daily. Find your lever. Move your world.